Hi everyone! Today I'll be discussing visual schedules. Visual schedules are so important because it creates a structured routine for a child and lets them know what is coming next. Many of your children may already use a visual schedule in school, and it'd be great to use at home. So materials you'll need: construction paper, a laminator and laminate, some Velcro, and then images of your daily schedule. I know at home you might not have some of these materials, but if you'd like a visual schedule, I would ask your teacher and they will be able to help you. So on the back of the images as well, I have Velcro, and then on the back of the construction paper laminated sheet, I have them as well. So the Velcro is great because you could rearrange your schedule if something has to be quickly changed. So I'm just going to make my visual schedule of getting dressed, playing, snack, and play. So before you begin using your visual schedule, I would show it to your child and let them know that you have the schedule and where you're going to put it, and make sure that it's accessible to them. It may be new for your children using a visual schedule because they might not use one at home and only are used to using it at school. Okay, so when you're ready to use the visual schedule, you're going to tell your child, check your schedule. Give them a few seconds, and if they do not walk over to the schedule, you'll then walk with them to the schedule. You could point, or you could take their hand and guide them, whatever you think will be best for your child. You can say, this is your schedule. If your child walks to the schedule without any help, praise them. You can say, nice job going to your schedule. You then want your child to look at the first picture and take it off. You can read what it says on the picture to assist your child. So you can say, time to get dressed. If your child does not take off the picture, you can guide them to take off the picture. For the visual schedule, like I mentioned earlier, I put Velcro on the back so the child could then get dressed, put the pictures on, and know that it's all done. When you're finished with the first activity and ready to transition to the next activity, tell your child again, check your schedule. Like I mentioned earlier, give them a few seconds. If they go to their schedule, praise them for going to their schedule. If they do not walk to the schedule, walk with them or point to the schedule and say, this is your schedule. You can even point to the picture of the next one for your child so they know that, okay, this is what we're going to do next. You then want your child to take off the picture. Like I mentioned earlier, if they did not take off the picture, take it off with them, and you could say, time to play. They could put the picture on the back now or when they are done playing. It may take a few tries for your child to understand the routine of using the visual schedule. I would go through the whole visual schedule so they understand start to finish. Continue the process, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask your teacher. I know they are willing to help.